Things change and you need multiple sources of income. If you got a job and you get fired right now, you'll have zero money. Okay, that's how that works. That's why jobs are crap. But if you get a little side hustle going and then you get fired, you still have money coming in because you have 2 sources of income. But you want more than just 2, you want 3 or 4. Because if your side hustle is pretty small, just that one, and then you get fired, you won't have enough to be able to sustain yourself with. And if one stream falls, you got the others to be able to support your needs. Now, if you got time after your 9 to 5, you need to be working hard to be able to make these income streams so that you can be making more money, so that even if one does fail, and even if they don't, you'll have money just in case something bad happens. When you have multiple sources of income, you have the power. If your boss cuts you off and you get fired from your job, you're the one with multiple sources of income. So you're the one that's going to be just fine with money rolling in because you have multiple sources of income. Now, how do you even do this? One, you have to find something that'll help people. If that's a product or a service, you just have to be helping people, because if you help people, that gets the greatest demand in the world. And 2, you have to have some kind of field or work where you're working smart and not hard. You can do whatever you want. It can be anything that you want it to be. Now, if you got a 9 to 5, work your 9 to 5, then once you get home, eat dinner, work 7 to 1 a.m., and then go to sleep and do your 9 to 5 again. But if you're saying you don't have enough time to do another source of income and have several sources of income, that's just, come on. You have 24 hours in a day, and a 9 to 5 isn't taking up your whole day. Now work that 7 to 1 a.m. so that you can build up your side hustle and your multiple sources of income, so that you can quit that grueling job that you hate every day just to wake up, sit in traffic, then go work 8 hours a day, and come home and sleep and do it all over again. I'm in high school, and I'm sure a few of you are too, and you don't need to get a job to make money. Just find your passion, monetize it, and build your brand off of that. I know this was a short video and it was condensed, but you have to have multiple sources of income. If you want to be wealthy, you can't be wealthy just by working a job. Ask 99% of the people that work just a 9 to 5, and I'm sure that almost 100% of them will say, no, I'm not happy, or no, I don't make enough money. If you want more of these type of videos, comment below so I know, because honestly, I don't know what y'all want right now, and my views are going down, and I need to make some money. See you in the next video.